What's the meaning of compare? Compare. Compare.
Compare. Compare. Compère is a term used to refer to a person who acts as a master of ceremonies or host for a performance or event. The compère's role is typically to interact with the audience, introduce performers, and keep the event moving smoothly. Compères are often employed at comedy shows, variety performances, and other live events where audience interaction and engagement are important. Overall, a compère is an essential part of any successful live performance, helping to keep the energy high and the audience engaged throughout the event.